Who's smart and knows their way around?
What's on there?
You get one or the other, pick one. I'm gonna run up to the middle one, I think. Help! I'm debating whether to try and get a German CO2 pistol or buy a replacement mag for this. All the CO2 Luke is really hot. FPS like 400. Same plan? Oh, I don't know.
I don't think the same thing.
Sorry, bud. Careful, because they're over there in the bushes. You see the... Whereabouts are they, Chris? What plate? Well played! Let the dead player out! Yeah, sorry. What's your right side?
There. A few more rounds than I have.
Watch your left, watch your left, watch your left.
I'm running back.
One's down. Watch it coming over the top.
Good effort. You go help him.
Help! It is warm today.
Yeah.
Ah! A good day of airsoft is when you die as much as you kill.
Yeah.
What do you think they're doing?
Another clue, because I think, God, the other guy was doing something like that.
You need to work as a team.
Right, volunteers, it's going to push. We're just going to...
Right, red team, on me!
Let's go!
Come on, we're going.
Someone move up! Hey!
Hi, Mum.
You've been in a few, you know.
Have I?
Yeah.
I'd like to thank,
If you fall over backwards now, I'd like to thank Ben and Jerry's for their amazing ice cream. Dude, don't put products in here.
Oh, they should make a new ice cream flavour, just like
Cordite.
No.